I kind of changed the motor. I put it in a different position so it's up higher. So if I need to spin this around, I can spin it around. But I have my voltage regulator here. Goes from 0 to 130 volts, I believe. Yeah, 130 volts. So it comes out here, goes over to this rectifier, which changes the AC current to DC current. So right now, it is on. It's on 0 though. You can see that I don't have it up, but I'm going to turn this right here. And this is the thing, I can make it go as slow as I want, but then and it is super quiet too. So this is the way I'm going to handle this. Just need to throw a belt on there, and we will see how it works.